Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Guys, I know I've been gone for a little while. I've just had so many things happen like right after the other, and I just had to take the time to get myself together. Again, I'm going to try to get an update up. There has been so many changes since my last update for those of you that do like to keep up with my personal life. So just get ready for that one. So anyways, guys, we're looking at the choice items for the October BoxyCharm base box as well as the premium box. There was also a couple of possible future spoilers seen in one of the backgrounds of Joe's videos. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some possible future BoxyCharm spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Kelly Angelo. Kelly says, hey girl, been a while. Hey Kelly, honey, how are you doing? It is so good to see you, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Again, we are looking at the October base choice items as well as the October premium choice items, and there were a couple of products seen in the background of one of Joe's videos. So we got 2 possible future sneak peeks, which you know, if it's in the background, you know Sneaky Joe. So let's go ahead and start with the choice items for the October base box. Now I know everybody's already made their selection, so y'all know me, I'm nosy. I want to know what everybody's picked, and if you didn't pick, if you don't like picking, or if there was some reason that you couldn't choose, which one are you hoping to get? Again, this is the October base choice items. So the first thing is the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. First of all, y'all, now Farsali has by far got the best packaging I've seen in any kind of beauty products. I love Farsali packaging. So it really surprises me that there was something this simple in a simple package like this. So I've got to know if this is any good. If anybody gets this product, I've got to know once you try it how good it is. Next up is the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Palette. Now this has got a bronzer, blush, and highlight in it. Then the next thing is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. And then the last thing is the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Again, those were your choice items for the October base box. So let me know what you chose or what are you hoping to get. Now guys, let's go ahead and dive into the October premium box choice items. So the first thing is the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. You could choose that or the Kosas Color and Light Duo Palette. This is the cream blush and highlight duo. And then next is the powder form. This is the Kosas Color and Light Duo Palette. This is the powdered blush and highlighter duo. So again, guys, Kosas is just making their appearance. Remember, they had that mystery mascara in this month's add-ons. So I'm excited to see which one of these you guys chose. Next, guys, let's go ahead and look at these possible future sneak peeks. And again, when they get confirmed, I will let you guys know as soon as they do. So the first thing, this is the Sunday Riley Good Jeans All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. Now this was seen in the background in Joe's video. The other one, I can't remember if it's in the background or what. But the next thing is the Hip Dot, is it Cenote eyeshadow palette? Is it Cenote? I'm assuming Cenote. So with all these blues and stuff, guys, this palette screams winter to me. So could it be coming in November? Could it be coming in October? Again, you know, I love these blue shades and it's really hard to do blues. So I I would love to have this palette. So I can't wait to see when this gets confirmed. And guys, let me know what you think about all these items down in the comment section. Also, let us know what choice items you picked or you're hoping to get. Of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Kimberly Simons. Kimberly says, "Hey, Mandy, hope all is well." Well, Kimberly, honey, it's about as good as it gets. We're good. We're safe. And Kimberly, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any? Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? It's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept it. And I do apologize about Princess. She just won't shut up. But anyways, so go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And again, be watching for that update because, man, my crazy life is a ride and a half. It's like watching a train wreck. People can't look away. So for those of you that support me and love to keep up with my personal life, be expecting an update. I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.